Photographers, if you do this pricing model, the client's going to book themselves. You don't have to do anything. All right, how do you charge for your weddings? How do you charge for your portraits? How do you charge for your fashion shoots or anything else? You're a brand new photographer, or you have a little bit of experience under your belt, but you want to charge better and you're like, I don't even know how to charge. I don't even know how to charge. So I'm going to give you guys a method that is used by a lot of brands. Now, you can go ahead and plug in the numbers that you want, but the system is exactly the same. Okay, so the 3-tier process really works. Okay, it's used on the iPhone. We'll go over that in a second. It is used very often in wedding photography. I'm going to show you how you can incorporate it in whatever kind of photography or video or filmmaking you do. I'm going to go easy numbers, 100, just for easy math. Never charge $100, but I'm just putting it out there for you. The low tier one, let's just say you want to charge $100. You're shooting for 4 hours, you're giving them 4 pictures. The second one is a lot more. It's like a big jump. Well, 100 to 450, you're getting 6 pictures, 6 hours of shooting. Wait, so I'm jumping from 100 to 450 bucks and I'm only getting 2 more pictures, 2 more hours? What is that? Like, who is dumb enough to get that? Now, third price, if it's 100, then you have one that's 450. What is this high one? What do you charge for that? 550, about there. Do you see the psychology? Do you see the internal battle that's going to happen for the client? You have the entry-level client that's like, oh man, I wish I can get this level one, or even this one. I can't afford that. You haven't shot them out of the market yet. You're like, I'll serve you. I'm only giving you 4 hours and only 4 pictures. That's fine. I could do this all day with my eyes closed and get amazing clients out of it that are going to slowly grow with me. The clients are like, okay, I don't want this entry level one here. It doesn't make me happy. It doesn't give me anything. I might as well just pay a little bit more for the one that is 450. That's a big jump. But then they start talking to themselves. In their head, they start selling the package. So they're like, if this is 450, this is only 550. It'd be kind of dumb not to pay the extra $100 because the 550 one shoots for 8 hours, gives me 12 pictures. Almost every single client that can afford this can afford this. It sells itself. You don't even have to sell it. If they're a little hesitant, they're like, okay, fine, I'll get the middle tier. They'll have 1 sleep, they'll have 2 sleeps, and they're like, it's kind of dumb. I'm just gonna call the photographer or the videographer, and I'm gonna say, can you add a little more to my price? I'm gonna get the third one. They're going to do it every single time. 6 pictures, like 10 or 12 pictures, plus gifts, plus private gallery. It doesn't make sense. The second tier is the one that is going to sell the first one or the third one. Okay, the second tier will also sell the first one because people are thinking, oh my God, it's so expensive for the next one. I'll just go for the lower one. But remember, the lower one is super profitable because you're thinking, I could book a whole lot of them and make a lot of money. So the middle tier is selling this guy to the people that don't want to pay too much. Great. You're going to nurture those clients. You're going to nurture those relationships, and you're going to get them to come up here. The middle one also sells the top guy too. I'm going to show you guys an example of what iPhone has done with their newest iPhone. So I'm going to look down a little bit in my notes, okay? We have the iPhone 11, the Pro, and then the Pro Max. 11 is super affordable. They actually lower the price on these iPhones. They wanted more people to enter the market. If you want a good iPhone, you want good quality, come in. The 11 is wonderful. Now, the 11 Pro is $999. It's a $300 difference, and there's enough people that will stop at the counter or at the tables and say, do I want that? Do I want the extra blank for $300? For some people, it's worth it, and they're like, yeah, I will. I'll pay an extra $300. What is that over 3 years? $100 a year. It's like $850 a month. I'll do it. I use my phone a lot. They'll talk themselves into it. The ones that don't, I'll stay with this one. This one is just fine. They'll sell a whole bunch of those. But the ones that come to the 2 level, the iPhone Pro, except for me, by the way, because I didn't fall for it, okay? The ones that come to the iPhone Pro level, do you know for only $100 more, you actually get A third damn lens? You get a third lens, which I had to talk to myself. I'm like, you ain't never going to use that, right? But you get a third lens, you get more storage, and you actually get a bigger phone. You get more screen time. You get more physical iPhone. So a lot of people made that decision. $100, that's so stupid. $100 divided by 3, it's $2.78 extra a month to go from the iPhone Pro, the level 2, to the Pro Max. How many people are going to jump? A ton of people. That's how the 3 system works. Now, here's a bonus tip. If more than 20% of your clients is booking the second one, you don't have your pricing right. So start working with the pricing. Maybe start raising the pricing of the second one. Maybe start bringing this one down a little bit. Maybe start offering more. Try different things. I hope that helps you. If you need more pricing videos, if you need more help with your photography pricing, marketing, making money, getting clients, subscribe to this channel. Here's unpopular opinion, but it's actually pretty much fact. The more other photographers learn to raise their prices, the more you have permission to charge more. So you want more people to see this. All right, guys, my name is Walid Azami. Check out the next video right here. Thank you for watching it. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.